I asked the Lord, how could He send Jesus? This must have hurt you. How could this be? He said, come follow. We took a journey. I can't forget what let me see. First, He took me down an alley. A drunk man lay there all alone. As he rose up for a taste of whiskey, young boy prays, Lord, send my daddy home. He's the one, that's why I did it. He's the reason I sent my son. I saw the pain, I heard the crying. Now you know, child, He's the one. Then He took me in a bedroom. A little girl lays all bent and bruised. I heard her cry, Mom, please don't hurt me. I said, Lord, help her, she's being abused. She's the one, that's why I did it. She's the reason sent my son. I saw the pain, I heard the crying. Now I know, Lord, she's the one. Then He took me in a small church. A young boy knelt there, too tired to run. As I got closer, I said, well, that was me, Lord. He said, now you know, child, you're the one. I'm the one, that's why He did it. I'm the reason He sent His Son. He saw the pain, He heard the crying. Now you know, child, you're the one. Now I know, Lord, I'm the one.